Hey everyone, James here from 80 Watts and I'm with Claire, and today we're going to look at the second part in our stability mobility work on how to tune up your body and make sure things are working well. So today we're going to look at ankle mobility, and we're going to use one of these friendly guys known as a foam roll. And a foam roll is a great way of releasing the tension you have in your calves and any other tight muscles. So to begin with, Claire's going to hop both legs up onto here and she's going to roll up and down her calves. Okay, we're going to stay off the knee joint and we're going to stay off the Achilles tendon, and that way just work the muscly bits. So off Claire goes. So if your calves are really tight, this is where I'd start. Okay, it's not going to be too painful. If it is painful, stop, sit down, take the pressure off. Okay. Now Claire seems to be tolerating that fairly well. So what we're going to do is pop one leg over the top of the other, and this adds more pressure. The goal of foam rolling is to apply pressure and not necessarily make it hurt too much. Okay, if it's not how much you can tolerate pain. It's got to be a good heavy amount of pressure. So Claire's going to again roll up and down. And if you're feeling particularly sadistic, she's going to hold on a tight spot and she's going to twirl around with this bottom foot here, so the one we're applying pressure to. And you can feel that a bit more, Claire, yeah? Yeah. Big smiley face, it's all good, okay? Now, obviously you want to work this on both legs, but generally what I'd recommend is about 3 sweeps, work on a tight spot, 3 little twirls, and then sweep up and down again, okay? Nice loose calves means nice mobile ankles, and that'll take pressure off the rest of the body. Give it a go. Everyone loves foam rolling, and we'll see you soon. Bye.